Have you been wanting to go on an all-inclusive vacation, but you're afraid of what you don't know before you go? Well, we're here today with several tips to help you navigate that new all-inclusive type experience.
Howdy, I'm Randy, and I've been traveling internationally for 34 plus years. Trust me, I've learned just a few things over that time. First off, pack some light clothes, swimsuit, those type of things like that in your carry-on. When you get to the resort, check-in's not going to be till 3 o'clock. Resorts have been running full. Your room most likely is not going to be ready. So go down to the spa, the restroom, wherever they tell you that you can go change comfortably. Put on that swimsuit, hit the beach, hit the pool, grab you a snack, get you a cold beverage, kick back, and just chill.
Yeah, you don't want to have to be sitting in the lobby waiting all that time for your room to be ready. You want to be out there having fun. So here's another tip.
Yeah.
You want to make sure that you're maximizing your funds or saving money while you're on your trip. So one thing to do is make sure that all your toiletries are packed, your sunscreen, your bug spray. You're going to need both of those so that you don't have to buy it when you get to the property. Oh yeah, they have it in their stores, but it's going to cost you probably double what it would cost you at home.
And don't forget that aloe vera gel, because most of you are going to probably get some little sunburn and you're going to want that aloe vera gel. But I want to tell you a little story. We were there last past year, and one evening the mosquitoes got really bad. I ran to the sundry store, went in there, and I said, I need a can of that bug spray right there. And they handed it to me, and I gave her my credit card. $26. I'm going to tell you right now, I'd almost rather get eaten up by the mosquitoes than spend $26 for a can of $4 bug spray.
He was dropping the whole trip.
I tell you what, think about food when you fly. Okay, this is really important because also some of you like to take that early morning flight. Some of you like to take that 11 o'clock flight. You're going to get to the property. There's dead times at some resorts where there's like an hour and a half in there where you can't get food.
Right.
So pack you a few snacks in your carry-on, a couple in your suitcase. Always have a plan B.
Yeah, you just want to make sure that when you get there and you're hungry, there's something you can do, because they do not serve food on airplanes anymore unless you haven't noticed.
Well,
unless you're in first class.
There you go. So book first class.
Yeah. Okay, and the next tip that we have for you is about the timeshare game. Oh yeah, all of these resorts these even all-inclusive resorts have a timeshare
or vacation
club, something like that. And they are going to call you, and they're going to want to meet up with you and have a little meeting with you. And so don't fall for that game. When you get to the property and they start calling you, just say, I'm not interested in any meetings. I want to spend my time at vacation on the beach or in the pool.
They're going to tempt you with come to this little meeting. We're going to give you 2 massages, or come to this little meeting. We'll give you a swim with the dolphins, or hey, we're going to provide you some limousine transfers back to the airport.
Yeah.
They're going to do anything and everything in their power to try to get you to come to that meeting. But I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be one of the most high pressure sales things you've ever been through.
And you just need to remember, say no.
That's right. Say no. If they keep bugging you, go to the manager and say, guess what? You don't tell these people to get off my back, I'm getting on Facebook, I'm getting on Instagram, and the whole world's going to hear about how terrible this is. So let them know.
Yeah.
All right. Bring nice clothes. I like to dress casual, but there are some resorts out there that don't allow you to go to dinner dressed casual. Some of them want you to wear long breeches. Some of them want you to wear closed-toed shoes, want you to wear a collared shirt. Some of them, they'll let you sit outside on the patio if you got on shorts. But if you want to dine inside with the big people, you got to have on big boy breeches.
Some resorts require reservations for dinner, and they want you to make them at least 24 hours in advance. So when you arrive, you need to talk to the concierge about those dinner reservations and make sure you get to eat at or dine at the restaurants that you prefer.
But more importantly, when you're booking your reservations, use a seasoned travel consultant like our memory architects at the Getaway Travel. We provide all that dining information, the dress codes, reservation requirements, all that prior to your departure. You're not going to get hit with some kind of surprise or something.
Yeah, you're not. Well, and we have one more bonus tip for you. And this one is to make sure and bring your swim shoes or flip-flops. You want to be able to go into the water, into the ocean, and the concrete is really hot, especially in the summer at some of these resorts. So you want to make sure you have the appropriate footwear for your feet. And you know what? Talking about beaches, we want to tell you about some of our favorite beaches in Mexico. So watch this video next.